In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again, tap on Device Lock and choose Face Unlock. Finally, you can enter your current login method. Tap on Setup twice at the bottom right corner. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions. Then adjust those two options by clicking on the switchers next to them. Lastly, tap on the bottom right corner twice. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!